We are going to build this Shopify discount function where you will get the discount in the card line items, and you will also get the discount in the total order discount, and you will also get the free shipping. So basically we are going to apply three type of discount: line item discount, order discount, and shipping discount. So we will follow the instruction given by Shopify dev, and we will build a discount function. So let's get started. We need to create a partner account. I already have a create a dev store. You should have a dev store, and then we will create a new app, and that app should have write discount and read product access scope. So let's create a new app. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code and open the terminal and type Shopify app init and hit enter. It will ask you build a React router app or build an extension. We are going to build a React router app, and we are going to select the JavaScript for this tutorial. And now it is asking the organization for at my partner. So I will select my organization and hit enter, and this time it is asking create a new app or connect with the existing one. I will create a new app and I will name it discount function tutorial and hit enter. Now it is installing the app. I will pause the video, and once it is installed, I will resume the video. Okay, our app is installed. The next step, see the discount function tutorial. We will go to that directory, and now we are inside our Shopify app. Let's go back to the tutorial, and we will reduce the price of the card line by 20%, discount order subtotal by 10%, and provide free shipping. These three things we are going to do. And now let's go to the instructions. Create the discount function. First go to the directory of your app. We are already there. Let's copy this command to generate the Shopify discount function. So let's copy this and paste that command over here. What it will do, it will generate the app extension with the template discount, and the name of this discount function will be discount dash function dash js. You can name it anything you want, but in my case I will keep the same name, and I will hit enter. And now it is generating our extension. So what would you like to work in? We will select the JavaScript and hit enter. Now it is installing the generating the checkout UI extension. It will take few seconds. Meanwhile, we will go to the tutorial, and next choose the language. We already selected the language JavaScript. Now let's review this file shopify.extension.toml. So it is still installing the extension. So once it is installed, I will show you that file. Okay, our extension is created successfully. Now let's open that specific folder. I will go to the folder and go to that specific folder, discount function tutorial. Let's open this. Now we are inside our app, and over here you can see the extension folder, and inside that we have discount dash function dash js folder, and over here we have 4 different files. So before opening them, let me open this shopify.extension.toml. So I will explain this in detail. So let's go back to the tutorial. The extension section define the function metadata. This include the function handle, name, description, and type. The name and the description are displayed on the discount page of your Shopify admin. So you can see this area defines the name of the app. This is the handle of our extension. This is the type, and this is the ID of the function. Okay. Next, we have targets. We have 2 targets. In the first target, we are targeting the line items discounts. So let me come here and I will explain to you over here. So in the first target, we are targeting the line item discount. For this file, cart.line.discount.generate.run. This is the file cart, this one, cart line discount generate underscore run.js, and let me open this one also. So this is the target, this is the input query. For the input query, we have this GraphQL file, which is this one. This is the input query and this is the output. Over here in this file, we are importing discount class, order discount selection strategy, product discount selection strategy, and all the logic is written over here. We are adding the 10% discount and the 20% of the product discount. Okay, similarly, we have a next target for the shipping discount, cart.delivery-option discount.generate.run. This file, this is the output file where we are offering the free delivery, 100% discount of the delivery, and this one is the input file where we are getting the information about the delivery. So these are the Shopify targets and input and export. So in this file, we explain everything. We are targeting the function. We are targeting the lines and the delivery options. So let's go back to the tutorial. And next, we have configuration. These are the configuration. And then we have, this is the detail of the line item discount generate, where we are getting the cart lines ID and the cost and the subtotal amount and the amount of the total order. And similarly, we are getting the input of delivery groups and the IDs, and then review the logic of your function and review your function logic over here. So this is the function of I have already explained you. This is the 10% discount on the order and 20% discount on the line item. So next, this is for the delivery. We already discussed that, free delivery on the shipping. And then we are going to update the scope in shopify.app.toml. So where you will find this file, you will go here, and in the root you will find this shopify.app.toml, and here are the scopes, and you will add a new scope here, write discounts, so we can add discount dynamically. Okay, once this is done, you can run the Shopify app dev, open the terminal and run Shopify app dev. Now it will start your app locally. So now select the store where you would like to see this. In my case, I will select this store and I will preview the discount over there. Okay, now our app is running now, and create the discount in your store. We need to create the discount. So first we will open the GraphQL. To open the GraphQL, you need to press G. I will press G over here, and now I have the GraphQL interface. Here we will define our mutation. So let's copy this function. Let's copy this mutation and go back to GraphQL and paste that over here. Function handle. We are going to create the discount automatic function and replace this handle over here, where you will get your app extension handle. You can get from the shopify.extension.toml, and this is your handle. Let's copy this handle and place that over here. Now we are going to create this discount, and if I go to the discounts, you see we don't have any discount at the moment. So as soon as I create the discount, you will see a new discount over there. So our discount is created, and if I reload here, now you see we have a cart line order shipping discount. So in my Shopify checkout page right now we don't have any discount, but if I reload the page, and our new discount will be applied automatically over here. So now you can see we have 20% discount on this product, 20% discount, 10% off in the order discount, and here is a free delivery on the shipping. We have, before that we have shipping, but after applying the discount we don't have any shipping charges. So you can go here and make changes, and if you want to increase the discount, let's say you would like to say the 30% discount, you can save that and change the value over here, and this time it will apply the 30% discount. If you reload that, let me clear the cart and add the item again. Buy it now. And now you can see we have 30% discount over here, and you are getting the 30% discount on the product. So this is how you can make the Shopify discount function with the free shipping and with the total order discount and the line item discount. I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any question, and I will see you in the next video.